This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, we'll go to the CorelDraw. In the basics tools only, we have to learn some more options. Okay, so if we'll go to the text tool, okay, so in the text only, we have an option here. Different options are there in the text properties. Okay, if I'll add a line like this, we have an option here, fit text to path. Okay, please write it down this option. If you go to the text, and there is an option called fit text to path. Okay, why we are using this option? In some of the version maybe it will be not available here. Sometime it will be available inside the text only. Here only you will get it. Otherwise you will get it somewhere here, object, or somewhere options will be there. Almost it should be there inside the text only. So if I'll go to text, there's an option called fit text to path. So fit text to path means whatever the path means this is a line. Okay, path means the line. So wherever any kind of path means any kind of curves, any kind of lines, so it will go according to that this text. Okay, if I click on here, can you see one mark is coming over there? You have to click on this, then you have to type. So the text will, it will come like this. Okay, so you have to select the text like this, and you have to increase the size of the text. So it will go till the path will be there. Okay, it will go till the path will be there. Okay, you have to, then later you can double click on this. Suppose you want to change the font and all, double click on this. See, anywhere you can click on it here. You have to select. If it is selected means it will select in the blue color. Okay, it will select in the blue color. Okay, sky blue color it will select. So then we can change the font. We can change the font like this. See, it will not go till the text will be, till the path will be there, till that only it will go. Okay, I will teach you once again. I will take a different shapes. Okay, I will remove this one. I will go to any shapes. I'll go to the star shape. I'll select it like this. Go to the selection tool, increase the size of that, and you can give any color, no problem. I will go to here text tool. Otherwise you can go to here text. In that option is fit text to path. Everybody can see my screen, right? Yes, I'm shared my screen. Okay, so I will go to here, then I click on any point. So you should get that curve kind of this a or curve, one of the options you should get. Okay, I'll click on here, then I will type. We'll go here.
Ma'am, can you please repeat which option is that?
Yes, I will type. Okay, first add the shape. First add any shape. Okay, if we click on this text, okay, now text will be alert, so you can use the text. So where you should go, if you click on this text, you can go text window. Here there is an option here in the menu bar, there is an option called text. Okay, if you go to the text, there is an option here fit text to path. Fit text to path means, however the path means the line. Okay, outline. Okay, otherwise any curved line. Okay, it should be line. Okay, so text will go wherever the line is there. If line is not there, it will not continue means the text will get end. Okay, So fit text to path. I have to click on this fit text to path. Then there is option here. See, it will not come. Can you see that curve option will come? So there is an option called curve option. So I will click on here. Okay. And you can, before typing the text, you can change the font. Whatever the fonts you want, you can change the font of that, and you can say you can change the size of the font. See, see whatever the options you want. I'm just typing like that only. Only this much. So you can give the color. Go to the selection tool and select this one and give the color. So it will take it for everything. Otherwise zoom it, you have to select particular this thing, means you have to double click on this, you have to select it like this, you have to double click on this, you have to select everything, and you can increase the size of the text. See, only this much size only I'm increasing, only wherever selected I am, only that much area only I'm increasing. See, only that much text only, I'm given the different font with a different color. Okay, select the text and give the font, change the font. Here's the font. Select the font like this, give whatever the colors you want. Okay, give whatever the colors you want. See, it will adjust there. But what happened here? Here it is a problem will be there. So the text will be overlap. Okay, so what it will happen? It will not. You cannot read properly this text. Okay, so it will be like that. I will show you the different shapes. I will go to this complex star and I will give some color for this, and I'll go to this text tool. Again, in that we have an option called text. Please write down this option fit text to path, because after 2 months again if you want to do something in the CorelDraw means maybe you will forget all these options. So that's why you just write it down all these options, because you don't get internet access that video whatever we have down sending you people, that you don't get maybe later. Okay, if it is saved in your mobile means it is okay, otherwise it's difficult. So please write down, book is always permanent. So I'll text, I will go to text and fit text to path. So I will select any point. You can select any edge. Okay. You can select any edge. It will show the edge option like this. Select any edge. Then you can type it here. See, I'm typing. If I change the shape of this, what happened? I will go to the shape tool. Now I will go to the shape tool and I will change the shape of this. See. Again text will be dividing. Text will be dividing. Okay, so it is adjusting according to the shape. It is not leaving their hands, it is adjusting. Okay, anybody having any doubt? Spiral tool. Let me check with this tool. I'll go to this type tool. So wherever you want, you can click on this. You can increase the size here itself. You can increase the size, and whatever the fonts you want, you can give it. Before itself, you can give it. Otherwise, later also you can do it. If you want to give the backspace, you can give it. See, it is removing. Slowly it is removing. So if we give the backspace, it will go like this. If we'll again typing, start doing typing, it will type. If you go backspace, it will go backspace like this. So suppose you want to type it here. This part is missing now. So you can click on here and you can start typing from here. So what is going on? It's not going anywhere. I'll click on somewhere where I can type it. Oh, it is coming inside. So you want it outside means you have to click properly. It is not getting properly where it should start from. Text only got confused. Control Z. Control Shift Z. You can type it like this also. Just rotate it. Now it is comfortable to type. So I'll click on here. Again we have to select the different text or any other text. What you have to do, you have to change the color. Any changing the font means left click, and you have to hold it and you have to select everything and you have to increase the size. Okay, how much ever you want, you just increase the size and give. You can give different font also. Whatever the fonts you want, you can give the different font. You can give different font. Anybody still not getting? Anybody having any problem? Anybody having any problem? Shweta, Yukti Sharma, you should talk. See, if people are not sending me the assignment, what I should see, like if people are not understanding anything, because I'm not getting for proper time. I'm not getting the assignment. Hmm? Yukti, Shweta not talking in the class. Okay, Shweta having the problem with the mic. Okay, what about Pooja Ashok, Meghna, Noor, Janani? I
No
think I'm
doubts,
not
ma'am.
getting any assignments till now from Pooja Shah. Did you send me any assignment? Ma'am, I'm not able to unmute. Okay, you can message me, no problem. What okay, ma'am? Only ma'am is teaching from her side. I'm not getting any assignments from you people. Janani not sended me any assignment. Pooja Ashok not sended me any assignment. Noor sended me, I think.
Ma'am, I have sent you, ma'am. I have sent you before the logos that I had done.
Janani, Noor sended me. Lavanya girl sended me. Acha sended me. Janani sended. Okay, Janani sended already. Yukti Sharma also sended. Sharwani. She didn't come. Okay. Dipasha. Papujita sended me. Sadhya sended me. Ronu Kutti sended me. Urvashi Pal, I think you are not sended me anything. Sharwani is not sended me. And who are not sending me? Meghana. Meghana and Shweta. Yes. What about Meghana and Shweta? You people are have any doubt, Meghana?
No, ma'am. Previous class I was absent, so I couldn't send you the assignment, ma'am.
Okay. Send me assignment whenever it is possible. Okay. So we will take some other shape. Suppose we have a different shapes here, arrow shapes. If we'll take the arrow shapes here, so for that we have to use this type on path tool. Okay. So type on path tool mainly where we are using in the certificate design, everywhere we are using the shape tool. I'll tell you where we can use the shape tool. I will go to here. I'll take an option here. So give directly 100. Now for certificate design, okay, I have created the certificate design. Okay, so for that we have to make Bangalore University certificate, any of the things. See, if you type directly text, it will not come. If you go to the text, in that type on free text to path. So you have to select first the shape, then go to the text. In that fit text to path, you have to go. And here we have a multiple options are there in the property window. Look at here. Here it is coming the slant kind of a ABC, and here also straight kind of this thing. See like this. Text, and you have an option called fit text to path. Then you should wait, it's not coming, not supporting. Yes, it is coming now. Okay. Now you have to see space bar. I'm using space bar. Should continue. Continuation. I'm using space bar. Okay. Backspace means, so you know, then the keyboard there's a button called backspace. If you click on this backspace, it will go like this. If you click on this space bar, so then it will go like this. Okay. So now what I want, I don't want this outline, this shape outline I don't want. So I will go to here. There is an option called, this is the text size. I will go to the outline, and there is an option called outline thickness. Width will be there. In that I will place it none. So then option will be like this. Got it, everybody? See, now the thing is, I don't want the shape actually. I want only this curve shape. Okay. In other softwares and all, you have default options. but in CorelDraw, everything you should only create it. Okay, so you have to select it here. You can change the text, whatever the designs of the text, font of the text, you can change it. So it is possible when you do that certificate design. So certificate designs, whoever not did, please try to complete it. Certificate designs. See, space bar. You should use a space bar. Otherwise, you have to select it like this, and only that much area only it is changing. Not everything. Only that much area only it is changing. See here, the font size. This is a little smaller. This is a little bigger. $32. Okay, so like that we have a different shapes are there. So according to that it will take automatically. So I will go to here, click on here. Okay, so like that you can change, you can inside whatever the colors you want, you can give the colors. I will go to this selection tool. Once again, the tools are not working means just click here and there, just click here and there, and go to that tool and give whatever the colors you want. See, even text color also it is changing. So in the initially also we have to select separately and we should give the text. Otherwise here also like that only. So you have to select the color like this. See, wherever now it is not selected, what you have to select it separately. See, left click. Okay. So if you don't want the outline means what you have to do, select this one and there is an option here outline, and here we have an option called in the style, not in the style. Where is the width? None. Just give none. So outline will remove. So it will look good when you take the circle shape. It will look good and it is usable when you will take the circle designs. Okay, anybody having any doubt that you people can create the certificate designs? Answer me. Prapujita, you have any doubt? Pooja Ashok, you have any? Prapujita, you come in the
No,
last, no?
ma'am.
Sadhya and Prapujita, you have any doubt where we should take this
Yes, ma'am.
text? Where this option will come? Type on text tool where this option will come. Anybody having any idea where this option will come? Type on text tool. Tell me where is the option will come. Where I have taken from where actually this tool where I have taken from nobody giving the answer. See again here, can you see here? So what you can do, you can so kind of you can move the text only little bit you can move the text. You will get this mark, then only it is possible. Here it will give the position. Okay. Now if I'll go to here and if I'll do the changes of the shape tool, nothing will change actually if I do any changes with the shape. So the text will move according to that. Okay. The text will go according to that. Okay, but there's no use if we'll make the text like this. So there is no use because you cannot find the text properly. Okay, so mainly any kind of certificate designs, any office seal. Okay, you have seen the seal, right? Those kind of designs, certificate designs. Okay, anywhere the circle is around with the shapes. Okay, so there we can use this option. So otherwise any kind of logo designs, they have to make the stamp design. So that time we have to use this tool. Even the you can see on the stamp also. Okay, so there is a number will be there on that. Any photo will be there on that. Any curved shape, the text will be there. So those designs also we can do it with this tool. Okay. So now I'm teaching you people very important tool that is called shaping. Make a heading of shaping. Okay. So this you already written right. What is this? What I told text in that fit text to path. Next one is shaping. Okay. Who did this? Prapujita. Yes, you did. What is this? Certificate of appreciation. Nobody will give What happened, Prapujita? Suddenly you did this one urgently. Prapujita, you did this work.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Take your own time, Prapujita. Do it nicely. Okay. I don't want this
Okay, ma'am.
hurry work.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't want. Okay. Take it nicely. And
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
the image where you
Okay, ma'am.
taken. So this is a certificate. Okay. See, whatever the tools I have teached till now, you can combine those tools. See, if I'll go to here shaping, if we'll go to this shaping, these are the shapes. These are the shapes. You can add some shape behind that. I'll send it back. Right click on this, order to back of layer. Okay, here I will give some other option. Otherwise you have to order, bring it to front layer, to front layer or to back layer. So I will remove the outline of this. I can remove the outline. Wherever necessary you should give, always not necessary outline. Okay, see here it is necessary, this outline is necessary, at least I have to give hairline outline. So but here it is not necessary, I can give none. So on that shape we'll get one more shape, and you can give the color like this. Otherwise you can use the symbol. Okay, next I will tell you people how to make the transparency option, that you can use it for the any certificates. We have to add the transparency option, so that time we can use this. Okay, that I will tell you when the transparency option will come. So now we have to go to the shaping. Okay, I saw just now Prabhujita's work. I am impressed. Why? Because she used many shapes. She downloaded from the internet. Okay. Only two people are tried. All other anybody not tried. At least Papujita she tried, and Sadhya both are tried. Okay. Okay. Now why we should use the shaping? So I will go to the tools here. Now I have to make the different kind of logo. I will take the duplicate copy of this. Okay, I will make Mastercard logo. So what color Mastercard having what color? Here it is there, I think Mastercard logo. Mastercard logo. Yes. See, Mastercard having one is red and one is orange. Mastercard having one is red. What red I'll give? Any kind of reddish. I'll give this one. Suppose any logo, we have two different colors are here, but I want in between here. I want in between we have to add the color. Okay, this area only we have to add the color. Okay, so I will select these two things together like this, left click and together. If I have to select it, one second, see here, if I will select together like this, and can you see in the property window what is the options we are getting? So it is weld option and combine, control L, it is shortcut. In exams they will ask control L combine, and this is a weld option, and this is a trim options. So intersect option, so simplify option, front minus back, back minus front, and create a boundary. So what is this? Anybody having any idea? I think before only Sadia used this option. Sadia, did you use this option in the when you did the first time logo? So that time you used it, Sadia? Anybody
No,
use
ma'am,
this
I didn't
option?
use this option.
You didn't use it? Who did this logo? Sadia. Okay, Lavanya Agarwal. She didn't come for the class, I think. She used it, I think, this tool. Okay, so we will go to the software. So we have to select like this. Both the tools we have to select like this. So we have an option here, combine, weld. So what happened now? Both the shapes are combined together. So you have to give only single color for this. You cannot give two colors like this. Okay, I'll go to Control Z. Okay, it is merged. Both the shapes are merged. Again, I will select here. There is an option called, okay, combine weld. Okay, so here what happened? So they both are combined, but in between there is a space is there. That I cannot separate it also. Separate it also. I cannot make the separation of this color also. So these both the shapes are combined now. I cannot separate it also. If I want to add the extra color also, it will not take. Everything it will take together. Okay. Next, I will select both the things together, and there is an option called here intersect. Okay, what is this option? See, this is the option is very important. Look at here. So this shape, okay, this option is cutted from the back of this shape. Back of this shape it is cutted. So if I want to give the color for this shape means, so I have to select it like this and right click on this, order to front of layer, not back of layer, to front of layer. Okay, again, once again, order to front of layer. It will come up now. Okay, give whatever the colors you want, any colors you can give it. So you have a separate colors now. So in between you can add the separate colors. If you want a separate color for this, you can add it. Okay, it is possible, only you have to select it like this, and there is an option here, third one, intersect. Okay, intersect, you have to select both the shapes and you have to give intersect. Then that shape will be wherever the two spheres are meeting, otherwise wherever the two shapes, any of the shapes, like any shapes you can take it for this. Okay, so that time it will cut only that shape, only it will become separate, and you can add it wherever you want, you can add it. Back of layer. See, sometime what happens, it will go somewhere back of this or back of this. Okay, so it is there in between this. So again, right click on this, order to front of layer. Okay, to front of layer. I select like this and will keep it like this. You can give whatever the colors you want. Like that. Control D. Control D for duplicate. So I will reduce the size of this. And I will select, see now both the shapes are there, two different shapes are there. I will select like this, and I will go to the, here we cannot use this option. What happened? Everything should be there inside one shape only. So I will select like this, and there is an option here. This is also not working much. So I will select both the option. There is an option called here. Only this much area only, both are merging together. Okay, only that area you can give the colors, whatever the colors you want, you can give it those colors only. Again it will go back. Otherwise give different color for this. Select everything, and there is an option here. This first one is for, please write it down, this option. This is combining. So combine options. Please make a drawing of this. Please make a drawing of this, because using this we can create so many logo designing. So please make a note of this properly. You have to make a shape and you have to select like this, and there is an option called combine. Control L is the shortcut. In exams they will ask, in the online exam they will ask what is the shortcut of combine. combine Control L and make a shape like this. When you will combine it, you will get a options like this. So just you will have an option like this. It is not separated, but you will get a three different shapes. Now three different shapes you are getting now. Okay, now you are getting three different shapes. Please make a drawing of this. Okay, now I select both the things. I select both the things, and next one is weld. So make a drawing of this also. You have to select both the things and make a drawing of weld. So weld, when you do the weld, you will get a shape like this. When you are doing the weld option, you will get a shape like this. Next, you have an option called trim. For that, you have to select both the things and you have to make it trim. So if you remove it, then you will get to know. Here it is, back is minused from the front. Okay, back is minus from the front. Okay, it is a trim option. You can write it however you are comfortable, like that you can write it. So after 2 months you have to open the book and you have to check like how, whether we can do it or not. It should be there in your mind, means you should do more assignment. So wherever you will go after 5 years also, you will remember this software. Okay, it is useful when you people are doing the project management, any kind of project works, so that any of the designing you have to make it. So borders, all those things, visiting cards, logo designing, so any of your own things you have to make it. So that time we can use this option. Okay, so you should go back because both the shapes are proper only. It should be proper. I will select both the tools and there is option here, simplify. Okay, if you click outside, then you will get to know. So this is also option same only. So later we can apply for the text, how it will look. Okay, I select both the things and there's option called simplify. No, same only it is. Simplify option, and I will select both the things and there is an option called front minus back. Front minus back. So front of the layer will get minus. So wherever this front image is intersecting here, and it is will become minus. Front minus back. So where these two shapes are joining, so there we have to use this front minus back. Next one is back minus front. Please write it down. I forgot actually. Intersect. This is also very important option. See, only this part only you can separate it and you can give different color for this, and you can keep it like this and order to front of layer. Order to front of layer. See, whoever till now, how many classes are over? There are seven classes are over. Okay, so I don't know whether you people are used all the option or not, because in one tool only there are multiple options are there. Example, order front to layer, back of layer, front to page, back one page. So many options we have. So but you have to use the particular shapes and images and all it will come. So but you need a good result means you have to use all these property options. So then only you will get a good result. Okay, please write it down this option. With this we have a, you have to select both the things, then only you will get an option. This is intersect, so only the color of this in between, so you can change the color of this. Okay, so I'll delete it. So now what happened? Nothing, everything is there. So I'll select everything, and there is an option here, back minus front. The same thing, back minus front. Back of the shape is minusing because of the front shape where it is interacting. So there it is, this shape will cut. Okay, back minus front. And next one is the create a boundary. So you have to select both the things and create a boundary. Boundary means what? Outline. Outline, you can remove the, you can separate the outline. Okay, you can separate the outline, and if you want you can give the color. So it will combine and it will become a single outline. And you can give color, whatever the colors you want you can give it. Okay, that is option called combine. So when you will select both the things, then only this tool will get highlighted. See, it is combined now, so it will not come, options will not come. So options will not combine for the, see, options will not come. Okay, so I will take separate shapes, and there is an option here. See, automatically option will come. So you have to use all the options, flip horizontally, flip vertically, and this is the options, combine and weld. All the options you should try yourself, and please write it down, all the shapes, back to minus front to back minus front minus back, and create a boundary. So using this we have to create a logo design. Please, anybody can tell what kind of logo designs we can create it? Anybody? Sadia, Urvashi Pal? Any idea? See, you people are in a very creative field now. So you people should answer. In CorelDraw, everything with the book itself we cannot learn. Otherwise, everything with the internet itself we cannot design. So we have to design our own. We have to think all the things with our own. So you have to think, ma'am, we can do it like this. We can do it like this. So I saw a logo design here. How to do, ma'am? Okay, you should talk to me like that. I'm expecting something. Meghana, what kind of logo design? See, till now, anybody who tried for the logo designs, they will get to know immediately because they tried, they didn't get the answer. So then it is possible. And one more logo I'll show you using this tool. I'll go to here and I'll take the circle. I'll type the text now. I will select both the options like this, and there is an option here, second one, back minus front. See, now what happened? No need to change any color of the text. Any color of the text, no need to change. So automatically now it is combined. You cannot separate it, both the shape and text. So automatically this design will come. Automatically this design will come. Okay, it will cut the white color, it will come automatically. Okay, next I select this one and I'll give this blue color and I will go to this. I select everything and there's an option here again, same thing only, back minus front. Okay, what kind of tool it is? Please tell me, everybody. Nobody knows this one. I'll remove the outline this.
SBI Bank, ma'am.
Okay, person told it is a SBI bank, so you have to write the SBI. If you double click on, okay. See, I'm showing you people all easy tools only. You have to try all this option together. Okay. Okay, I will keep it this one side. Now, this is the channel logo. See, it is not applying the color. I will select both this. Now I have to place the, see, this is separated and here this is also separated. Now I have to place the color here. So I have to select both the things and again go to the second one. Right side, there's option called back minus front. So it will become like this. Both options will try. Front minus back will like this. Boundary. Oh, luckily, see, boundary is working in a different way here. Here it is different way. Create a boundary is working in a different way here. Okay, see here, it is separated. Before that, which tool I am used here? Go to the selection tool. Which tool I have used it? This one, back minus front. Okay, now I can use the boundary tool. So I can select it like this. I can do the changes of this. Okay, next. Next we have to this option, you have to lock and unlock it. Okay, if both the option has to work means you should lock or unlock it. 10, I will give the option called 10 and again here 200 in 50 here 400 600. Very slowly it is reducing. For this only I'll give more. 150 I have 200 I'll give. For this again 450 I'll give. I want a petal kind of shape. You can flip it also. It's not working properly. So you should do manually flipping. You should do manual flipping. I just want to make this logo. This logo I have to make. This one. Adidas logo. Okay. The petal should come properly. What color it is? Black color only. So what I'll do, I select this one. I'll take the black color. For this also I'll give the black color and Control D. Make the shape of this. Take a reference properly. Petals should come more sharp shapes. Petals are like this, no? It is should come more sharp shapes. So what we have to do, we have given this value like this, 122 is there. So 366. Let me check if I give 400. So nobody used this option. What are the option I have teased? 350. 6 is there. Here 120 option is there. 150. What about this shape? Yeah, should come proper petal. Here it is coming curve. 600. 500. So we have to use the curve shapes and we have to make it neatly. Otherwise, we have one more tool here, polygonal tool. So let us see any of the tools we have to select it and we have to make it with the curve shapes. 3, angle 3. Okay. In this also we cannot make it. We have to draw the shapes. Okay, I'll show with you people this tool only. So what I will do, I will go to here and Control D. I'll go to here and I'll make a shape like this. Mainly we have to use the shaping. We'll do these two logos. One is this logo and BMW logo. So next class I want whatever the logo still I given, Mitsubishi logo, BMW logo, all those things we want it. Okay, so just rotate it, this one option. So I'll just make a line of this outline. Okay, so I'll just make a line here. I'll just teach you the concept here. I'll just make a outline here. Just make an outline here. So I'm just adding the properly. Please join the shapes. And what you have to do, I will select this tool together. I'll drag it and I'll select this tool here. And we have an option shaping. Okay. Otherwise, you have to bring it into the front. So I'll select these all tools. Shift, pressing the shift, you can bring it front. Order to back of page is there. I'll send this shape only back of this. Everybody is following what I'm saying. Order to back of. I'll select both all the things and I'll check which option is useful. I'll check this option. So it has come only for this shape, but I want it for all the shape. Okay. So this is for to removing the boundaries. To removing the outline, it will come. Okay. So I don't want this option also. So what I will use, this is also not usable. Okay, so we have to use this option, back minus front. So that time only you will get the shape properly like this. So but problem is we should not combine this. It should not be attached together like this. See, it is attached. That's why it is back minus front. It will take like this. It is attaching. Let me check now. Let's select all the things. Order. Order to back of layer. Otherwise you can give the white color also, whatever the colors you want, it will highlight like this. But this is not the method, actually this is not the method. So it should cut properly. We can use this method also, somebody who don't know the shaping options, so that time you can use this option. Okay, any of this logo design, but we have to use the shaping options, so then it will come neatly. The shape will be others one single shapes you have to take and you have to use these options. So you have to select like this, and so one options you have to make it like this. You have to select this one, then shift, you have to select it like this, then you can use it option. See, this option is only applied for this now, so like that. Otherwise you can take a copy of this and you can make it like this, but it should come straight line. Okay, so please watch it here. The how the design has come, where it is. Here also it is not there. See this logo. Okay, So this, please try this option. See, Mastercard logo, Adidas logo, and this channel logo. You can give color inside this. Okay, please write it down all the options. So this logo, you have to use the shaping options for this. Okay, now I will make it a BMW logo. See, we have the shapes like this, BMW logo. Control D. I'll take a duplicate copy of this. I'll flip it and I'll keep it like this. I'll select both the things. I will make it like this and I'll go to this circle and I will add the circle. Everybody is listening or slept? No answers. Order to back of layer. Okay, so I have given the thickness will be 5. Okay, so let us see. I select both the things and I'll give this option. So what happened? Wherever I want, I will get. I'll remove the outline and I will select this one. We'll just use this option. Okay, you have to make this circle also properly before applying it. So you have to make this circle as it is. Adjust the circle like this. It should come with the proper shape like this. It should be like this because it could come with the curve shape. Where is the BMW logo? Ah, yeah, it is here. Look at the shape. The curve shape has come. Okay, only two are in a blue color, other two in a white color. Okay, so first you have to create a this kind of shape. Inside this, you have to create a this kind of shape. So what you have to do, you have to select like this, and you have to go to the shaping option. Okay, select both the things. Slowly, carefully, you should do this. I select this thing and I will do this option. You can add one more circle. You can add the circle again. Once again, you can add the circle. If you want, you can add the circle once again. Okay, you can attach it. Okay, try to adjust it. Slowly, you should do this thing. Slowly, you have to do this option using the shaping. Okay, starting only we have to adjust the shaping, otherwise it will not sit properly. We can cover it with the thickness of the outline. We can cover it with the thickness of the outline. We can cover it. See, but still it should sit properly. The circle
Ma'am,
should not be oval. Now it
ma'am,
is become oval. Yes, tell me.
ma'am, I just had one doubt. When we make
Hmm.
any posters or banners, can't we
Hmm.
insert any image from outside?
Yes,
Like,
yes, we can. Next class, I will teach you people how to insert the image effects, text effects. I am waiting. You people should complete the assignment. So that's why I'm still there in the logo design because I'm not getting from you people any logo designings. So that's why I want to go to the image, text effects, many of the things are there. So, but I want from you people, only two people are did the work till now. 7 classes are over. Only I got assignment from two people. Okay, maybe compared to the how many people are there in the class, in that only I'm getting maybe 3 to 4 people only. So that's why please this shaping is very important. Front minus back, back minus front, and this BMW logo, Mitsubishi logo, all those things are very important. Please try to do that. So you can turn the shape, no problem, however you want. You can group it and you can turn the shape. And later Control G, you can make the Control G and you can make it as this oval shape is there. You can make it like this also. However you want, you can do it, the shape. But before itself, starting only you have to take the circle. So if you take the circle, so then you will get a proper shape will get. Okay, thickness we should not give this color for this outline. So we should give the silver color or any other color we should give it. So that's why it is looking as it is. We have to make means it will take so much time. See this BMW. See what kind of text they used it here. See here they filled the gray color. See light gray color. Here we have an option light gray color. Right click on this order to back of layer and I will give the outline color is white. So you have to observe each and everything because here outline color I have given but it will not take. Why? Because there is a background also outline. So that's why whatever the outline if you give the white color means it will not take. See here it is taken. Okay, so still we have to do so much perfect things in this. Okay, we need lot of time for this. Black color also we can give it. See again we have a problem here. See here blue color, two blue colors are there and here other two sides are in white color. So again what we have to do, again one more circle we have to take, other the same circle only we have to make it. So we have to adjust this circle and we have to fill the white color for this. So this is little complicated. First making that shape only it is important. This shape only it is very important. See now what happened. Why exactly white color? We should take the white color exactly. It's looking not looking like a white color. See now the problem will start actually. So if I'll give order back of layer, if I'll right click on this to give order to back of layer means it will go completely back of the black color. So it will not where it will went completely back. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to make a plan here. So we have I will keep it here side and I'll make it this one, this shape, this shape. I'll make it control G, group of this, order to front of layer. So now it has come front. I will remove this outline, none, and I will send this one back of this. Okay. So like this, slowly you have to make a plan of this. It will not sit properly. So you have to, okay. So like this, so much work we have to do. Still this shape has not come properly. That middle shape is there, no, that is not look like BMW shape. So we have to work on this actually, what exactly we have to take. Sometimes we can take the circle also, sometimes we can take the polygonal tool also. Polygonal shapes we can take it, otherwise we have on a shape here, basic shapes. In that we have on a shape here, this shape also we can take it. Using this we can make it like this. Using this also we can make the drawing like this. So using this also we can create easily the BMW. You see, this one easily cut. Control D. I will flip it. I will flip it, and you have to try people all this option. I want next class assignment. Otherwise, again I will teach you the same logo designing. Till you people are not finishing, I will repeat the same logo designs. Okay. So now I will select. I'll just give whatever the colors you want. I'll just give white color for this, and this color is, what is this, blue color or something. I selected this one. Again I'll go to the boundary. Oh, this should go order. See, order back of layer is very important part actually. Okay, I'll go to this blue color. I selected this one. Again flip. So you'll get one shape like this. Again you will get the same shape only. See, check it out, this option. See, you will get, you can do the changes of the shapes. See, how much ever you want, you can do the changes of this. Otherwise, slowly you have to do the changes. Otherwise, select like this and you have to reduce the shapes. Otherwise, you can modify the shapes also. No problem. Otherwise, you can rotate this shape also. Control G, and it look like oval from the other side. Okay, we have to work on this in the next class again with this BMW logo. So you people also have to work. Okay, okay. 4:30 now. Okay. Yeah. Anybody having any doubt?